Hi everybody, it's snowing in Thunder Bay, Ontario. Check it out. It's a blizzard warning, I heard. It's supposed to snow like this for the next while. What up? What up? He's stealing. Ooh, he's stealing.